Hello everyone! Today we are making my favorite chocolate chip cookies. Our ingredients are 200 grams of butter, 1 egg, 1 bar of dark chocolate, a pinch of salt, baking soda, vanilla sugar, flour, mixed nuts, and some oat flakes mixed with nuts and raisins and other dried fruit. We also need some utensils like a wooden spoon, a knife, some cutting board, a big bowl, some parchment paper, and an oven tray. First, we have to prepare our chocolate chips. We take this big bar of dark chocolate that has to be hard. We put it on the paper and we cut this chocolate into tiny pieces, but I think with this you should ask the help of your parent. Wow, look how well it's cutting. I have to do it very gently so that I don't hurt myself. Wow. Our chocolate chips are ready. It's time to put them away. And actually, I think I will put them to the fridge so that they are cool and very hard. I have to do the same thing with nuts. So our bowl of mixed nuts goes here on this paper. And now again, I'm taking this big knife and I will chop the nuts. Chop the nuts. But remember to ask your parents for help, because it may be very dangerous to do it. It's time for the best fun. So our cutting board is going away. Our bowl is ready. And we start with butter. Oi! There it is. Oh, I forgot! We have to preheat the oven. Let's go here. Look, we have to preheat the oven. So, first here, and 180 degrees. And now it has to be all warming up and waiting for our cookies for when they are ready. So let's go back to our butter. I need to maybe chop it a bit. It's very good if the butter is soft. Mine is a little bit too hard and too cold. But I will make it soft with this big wooden spoon. So now the egg is coming here. Remember not to put any eggshell in. Hop. Take the last pieces of this egg. And remember, it has to be cooked. It has to be raw egg, not cooked. And mix. And mix. It may take a lot of time, so I will show it to you when it's all ready. You know what? It was taking such a long time that I thought that I would cheat a little bit, and I put this spoon away and I used this mixer. So it was much easier. And now that my butter looks like this, I will add some sugar. It should be a lot of sugar, but we will use only a little bit. Oh, like this. And one more. Because sugar is not very good for you. It's better to eat not a lot of sugar. And now we mix again with this electric mixer. Now it's time to add some flour. So I will need 2 cups of flour. One cup, and we mix. Our mixture looks just like that, but I just realized that I need more butter. So here I have got a bit more of melted butter because I put it to the microwave, and now I will add it and mix it all in. Whoa. The whole butter back here. And now I will mix more. And after I mix it more, I will add 1 more full cup of flour. Now maybe we can add just half of it, mix, and add the rest later, so that the mixture is nice and smooth. Look. Oh no! An eggshell! Not good! We don't need any eggshells in our cookies. But now we need to add a pinch of salt, so just a tiny bit. Oh, see? This much of salt. And 1 teaspoon, or no, just half of a teaspoon, oh, like this much, of baking soda, and we mixed it a bit, and now it's much easier to mix. Oh, but you need a lot of power in your hands to do all of the mixing. Whoa. And now we add a little bit of our oat flakes, or our mixture, just like that, so they are healthy. And these mixed nuts, maybe that's okay, all of it. And now you mix again. I took our chocolate chips out of the fridge, so now they are still cool and hard. I will add them to the bowl, and I will mix it again. Our cookie dough looks definitely ready. Now it's time for us to wash our hands with soap. But I need 2 hands to do that. Now my hands are super clean. And we will also need this. The paper from our butter from before. I will use it to make all of that greasy and oily. Our cookies will not stick to this paper, so that's very good. I will put a bit of flour on my hands so that the dough doesn't stick to my hands. Now take a piece like that. Oops. Now roll it into a ball and put it here. And another piece. Roll it into a ball and put it here. And when these are ready, you can make them a bit more flat with your fingers and do more. The first part of our chocolate chip cookies is ready to go to the oven. So now I will open the oven here. Ooh, it's very hot. You have to be careful. And we put it here in the oven. And then we wait. I needed to wait a little bit more time because they were very big. And now, very important thing. This special doggy. So it will help us not burn our fingers. But still, please ask your parents for help. Oh. Wow. Oh. Our cookies look perfect. But now, another part of them is going in. Bye-bye, cookies. And finally, it's time to eat our cookies. Here they are. Oh, they smell so great. So they must taste delicious as well. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, they are so hot. So we have to be careful. I will take a bite and see if they are yummy.